In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first website in 2026. Wix website tutorial. Creating a professional website doesn't have to be expensive or confusing. Today, we'll use Wix's built-in templates so you can launch a portfolio, blog, or business site without spending a cent. I'll guide you from picking a template to going live, and along the way, I'll share tips to keep everything clear and stress-free. We'll begin in your Wix dashboard. After you log in, choose Create New Site. Instead of building from a blank page, select the Studio Template option. Think of templates like moving into a furnished apartment. The rooms are already laid out and you simply bring your own style. This shortcut gives you a clean structure and modern design elements from the start, so you can focus on content rather than fiddling with every pixel. Next, choose a style that suits your goal. Wix organizes hundreds of templates by category, which makes browsing simple. If you're building something health related, the medical section is a great place to start. If you're showcasing creative work, explore portfolio and business categories. Don't worry about picking the perfect one on the first try. Wix lets you switch templates later, so choose something close to your vision and keep moving. The most important thing is momentum. Once your template opens in the editor, it's time to personalize. Update the headlines and text so they speak directly to your visitors. Clearly say who you are, what you do, and what action you want people to take. Replace any stock photos with images that represent your vibe or brand identity. For a medical site, calming blues and soft imagery build trust. For an energetic brand, bold reds and high contrast photos add punch. Adjust colors and fonts to match your theme and keep them consistent across pages for a polished look. Don't be afraid to experiment with layout and spacing. If something doesn't work, use undo and try again. Small, deliberate tweaks add up quickly, so pause to scan each section like your visitor would. When your pages look the way you want, it's time to publish. Click Publish, then choose the free Wix domain option to keep everything cost-free. After a few seconds, your site is live. Select Go to Live Site to view it exactly as visitors will see it, then copy your link and start sharing. Anytime you refine your design later, just publish again to push updates to the web, and that's it. Your complete stunning Wix website without spending $1. If this walkthrough helped, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching and happy website building.